Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received my February Dot Boxx. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my February Dot Boxx just arrived. This is sent to me for review, so thank you so much, Dot Boxx, for continuing to send me your amazing box. Let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what this month brings. You guys know they make my not so fun time of the month my best time of the month, because this box always makes me feel so good, and they have me covered with everything that I need. And I love the fact that you get to choose like which week out of the month that you get it, so you always get it around the time you need it. And I just love this box. So let's go ahead and cut this tape. The tape says squad goals with hearts. It's very, very festive for Valentine's Day. Yes, this is the smallest box that I've received. So I was really confused. I got an email saying your Dot Boxx is out for delivery, and then this was the only thing my guy sent me. I'm like, no, you have to have another box. He's like, no, it's the only one. And then he turned it and I saw the tape and I'm like, oh wait, no, that's it. Because they always have this really cool tape that they put on there. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like right on top. And I'm already seeing some candy and I see some red for Valentine's Day. So it's squad goals. That is the monthly theme. It says, what's Galentine's Day, you ask? Galentine's Day is a celebration of female friendship. Our Dot Squad is our group of pretty cool women. Some are funny, some are quirky, some are stay-at-home moms, teachers, wives, girl bosses. All are beautiful. We share our pits and our peaks. We seek prayer when the bottom falls out. We seek advice and never belittling or judgmental. Thanks for being part of our Dot Squad and making us push to be better every month. You are the bomb.com. Thank you for making these amazing boxes that make us feel so good. The owner is the sweetest, you guys, and she has an amazing box. It's her and her daughter that curate these together. I don't know how they do it, but they come up with the best themes. I just love this box. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Like I said, I'm seeing I'm seeing some candy right on top. So we're already starting off pretty good. All right, so let's move some of these squigglies. There's some more kisses. So it says, hey beautiful, your February 2020 theme is Be My Galentine. What's inside? And it goes over some of the products that are in here. So let's go ahead and just dive in. The first thing right here is in this little bag, and it has a little heart on it. Let's see what this is. Oops. Some more squigglies. I need to blow my nose. Hold on. Sorry, you guys. I'm dealing with this cold, this head cold. So hold on. Okay, so now I feel like I can talk a little bit better without thinking my nose is going to be dripping. So this is as far as I got. Let's get this thing out of here and see what's inside. Is it a jewelry item? It sounds like it would be. Yes. My initial's on there. My initial is on there. Look, you guys. What? It says initial heart necklace. Wear your heart around your neck and admire the babe in the mirror. You're beautiful, you're strong, you're perfectly flawed, and apologetically awesome. And that's why we adore you. This perfectly imperfect handmade gem is a cute keepsake for yourself or packaged for gifting to someone you love. Ah, cute. There's a T on it. That's my initial. Okay, you guys. So it does come with a little envelope that you can actually put it in if you wanted to give it as a gift. Get off there. But I'm not giving it as a gift because it's my initial. Even though it's gold, I'm still going to love this because this was sent for us. And it says, self-love is the best love. And that is, the T's upside down right now. The T moves, well, like it goes up and down. So sometimes it might be upside down, sometimes it might be straight, but look how pretty with the little heart and then the T. So let me go ahead and get this on. How cute. Now they don't put values on here, you guys, but you definitely get way more than what you pay for. And just the thought and the care that she puts into these is just amazing. Here, where'd mine go? You swing mine around. And there we go. So it has the heart and it has the T. Is my T, does your T hang low? Does it wobble to the flow? There we go. How cute. So we have a initial necklace, number 1. Then we have in here is Self-Love Body Wash. Oh, there's glitter in there. Can you see that? Yep, and there's glitter in there. Let me smell this because I know my niece received the girls box that they do, because they do a teen box and a girls box and the adult box. And she always gets amazing little things like this, and they always smell so good. I can kind of smell something. I can only imagine how good this smells when all my senses are back. So let me see what this one says. This says shower gel and body lotion. So this is body lotion. So is this shower gel? I guess that would be body wash. And then there's a mist. Okay, so this says the Every Girl Project Self-Love Body Wash. Self-Love is a sweet as juicy, ripe strawberries and refreshing as organic mint and basil with a hint of sparkle because it's magical. And see, I was picking up on some strawberry when I could actually smell what was going on in there. So there is this shower gel, and then here's this little lotion, and it's the same brand, and it says love you berry much. Shea butter lotion, raspberries, strawberries, and whipped cream drizzled with self-worth and added tax. Alrighty then. And it looks like that, and it's like a light purple color, probably for the raspberries. Let me smell this one, see if I can smell this one. Oh my gosh, it smells like raspberries. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like I said, when my niece got 2 of those boxes and everyone had like stuff like this in it and they smelled so good. I was like, girl, you lucky. Ooh, that smells so good and it feels so nice. All right, so we got a lotion and we have the shower gel. This will definitely make you feel good when you're not feeling good and you take a shower and you get to smell so nice. Get out and put this nice lotion on and just feel nice about yourself. We have a big candy bar. Don't be basic. Milk chocolate, caramel toffee, and sea salt. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. Don't be basic. So there's this big chocolate bar. And then here's the spray. It says, get you some. It says, get you some. This right here says mood mist. The mood mist is perfect for a date night out with your honey, a chilling evening at home, or hanging solo with your dog and a glass of wine. Spray 2 to 3 mist into the palm of your hands and inhale. Other uses: spray 7 to 10 mists into the steam of your shower for an aromatherapy experience, or use as a body, linen, or room mist. So spray 7 to 10 mists into the shower to steam for aromatherapy, or 1 to 3. Yeah, same thing. So it's just like a normal spray. Ooh, and it sprays out like a lotion. I was not expecting that. Ooh, it smells really good though. Yeah, and I can smell that. Ooh, that's definitely different, like a different consistency. So I'll probably try to spray that in the shower and use it like in maybe right now to help clear my senses. And then now we have something that's inside of this bag right here. And let's see. So we have Masquerade One Sheet Mask, I Don't Want to Grow Up, and Beauty Restore, both by Masquerade. So these are the 2 masks that I got. And then this right here says Fruit Fusion Moisture Miracle. What are you? Drench your skin with powerful fruit extracts formulated to help your skin naturally defend against harmful free radicals, packed with vitamin C and potent antioxidants to promote skin renewal. To use, apply evenly to freshly cleansed skin. Cruelty-free cosmetics. Fusion. So it's like a, oh man, I can't smell that one though. I'm about ready to taste it though. I can't smell this one. I think all these other scents are just like in there now, and I can't really pick up on this one. Dang, I hate being sick. I love smelling things. So it's like a lotion, so a moisturizer. So we have another moisturizer, which that's always good, especially right now in the cooler weather. My skin gets dry. So they did a survey on their Facebook account. So if you do sign up for this box, definitely follow their Facebook account, because that's where they will show, or they'll ask you surveys to help tailor your box for you. And so they basically asked a survey, and they based this little skin routine off of our survey. So you could have got the moisturizer like I got, Dirt Bag Beauty Facial Cleanser Packet. There's an illuminating facial cleanser packet. Beauty Love Your Machata Clay Mask. The face masks. There's a Party Prep Brightening, and then a cleansing wipes. So based on what you would have answered for your profiles, they would have put 3 of those items together and made your little skincare set. So that's how I got those. And then we have our normal essentials, and yay, I get some more of these. I was out last time. I used my last one. So now I have another one. These things are amazing for cramps. There's some tea, some panty liners, and then the tampons that I request, because in there you do fill out a profile and you tell them which one you would like, depending on if you want pads or tampons, and which ones, which brands, if you want both, or if you just want one or the other, or if you want none at all. You don't have to. You can completely opt out of the period essentials, but I always think it's a good idea to get them, because you never know if you might have a house guest over that might need something, or you can end up donating them. You can save them all and take them at the end of the year and donate them to the local women's shelter, because they definitely could use them as well. So let me go ahead and do a little quick recap. We got our period essentials. We have 2 sheet masks, which you know your girl loves some sheet masks. We got a big full-size candy bar that sounds amazing. We have this really pretty necklace that has a heart and my initial on it, so it's very thoughtful and it's personalized. We have this, I'm sure it smells amazing because it's fruit infusion. We have this moisturizer. This moisturizer is what's all in here that I'm smelling, and it smells so freaking good. Then we have a body wash. We have this little spray, and then we have all the other little loose candy and stuff that are on the bottom, or we're thrown on the top. So that is everything that came in this February Dot Box, you guys. It's amazing as always. If you want to know a little bit more about Dot Boxx, you can use my code SheCrafty for 10% off, which is amazing. Now they have the adult box. They have 2. They have the mini box, and then they have the big box. The mini box is $24.99 a month plus $5 shipping, and the big box is $39.99 a month plus $5 shipping. The mini box, you get 3 monthly goodies and up to 25 essentials with optional extras. And the big box, you get 5 full-size monthly surprises and up to 30 period essentials. And this also is optional. And then you get optional extras and yummy snacks. And I like getting the snacks because I just love this box. I love the items that come in it. I love how they got you covered for your period essentials, and they make you feel good with the chocolates and then the teas and all of that stuff. Now with the period essentials, you can say if you want the teas, the panty liners, if you want pain relievers, there's little packets of like Advil. So there, you can definitely customize your box. Now, they also do the self-care box for girls, which that's for 8 to 11 years, which is the $32.99 without period essentials or $37.99 with the period essentials. And then they have the self-care box for teens, which is for 12 plus, and that's $34.99. And then they also have a first time period box for $44.99. So if you know somebody who is going to start you can go ahead and buy that. It's a one-time purchase. You're not locked into a subscription or anything. And then you can have that box left on hand. So the day that they come saying, something happened today, you can be like, I got you covered today and give them a box that's going to make them feel good and give them the stuff that they need to get started. So definitely check them out. SheCrafty will get you that percentage off, which is amazing. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? I always love this box and I always appreciate them sending it to me. So again, thank you Dot Boxx for sending me your amazing box. So again, comment down below, what'd you think of the products in this month? Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.